Okay, we have a Deckel Maho DMU60 Evo machine, which is a linear, new in 2013, serial number 15475589924. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Heidenhain iTNC 530 HSCI control, and here we go. He's running the spindle right now, which is an HSCI spindle, 10,000 RPM. He's running the Z-axis. This machine again is a 5-axis machine. That's your X. You have 23.62 in X, 19.68 in Y, 19.68 in Z. Moving the Y-axis. That's considered the what axis? That's the B-axis, okay. And that's your W? C. C-axis. Super cool. Machine's also equipped with probing. You have cooling through spindle, 60 ATC. Oh, it's an 18,000 RPM spindle. 18,000. And that's about it. Thanks for watching our video.